Hi guys! Many of you have come to us seeking to break the cycle of using harsh chemical products and to recover from the damage they cause. Switching to all-natural products will start you on the road to recovery and hair regrowth, but sometimes your hair will still need a little extra TLC. This is why Anthony Morrocco created his elixirs, which are designed to promote hair and scalp revitalization, renewal, reconstruction, and restoration, creating the ideal conditions for new hair growth. Whether you are dealing with alopecia, hair loss, slow hair growth, scalp disorders, or extremely damaged hair, our elixirs provide a natural solution. Each elixir is formulated with wildcrafted oil blends that deeply nourish your hair and scalp, helping to normalize sebaceous glands, soothe irritation, encourage circulation and new growth, provide vital hydration, and more. To achieve the best results, use the elixirs in conjunction with other natural Morrocco Method hair care products. We recommend performing a Zen detox mask treatment before starting your elixirs during rest weeks and between starting new elixirs, as this treatment helps prepare your scalp to absorb the elixirs more effectively. Selecting the right elixir depends on your specific needs and the severity of your scalp issues. For problems such as hair loss, thinning, or extreme scalp irritation, it is best to rotate through all our elixir series to address various aspects of hair and scalp health. Our elixirs are grouped into synergistic sets for maximum effectiveness. The gold and silver elixirs, which make up the beginner series, are perfect for normalizing an excessively oily or dry scalp and are ideal for those new to using hair elixirs. The God and Goddess elixirs, part of the intermediate series, contains 4 elixirs that focus on reconstructing the scalp to repair dry, damaged, brittle hair and split ends. The tricolor elixirs, our advanced series, provide deep conditioning and balance to the scalp and hair follicles, promoting hair regrowth. To use the Morrocco Method hair elixirs, apply daily to the hairline and thinning areas 2 to 4 hours before shampooing. For more intense treatment, apply 1 to 3 hours before bedtime. Before shampooing or after waking, brush your hair with a natural boar bristle brush to distribute the oil throughout the rest of your hair. You may also apply the elixir to the ends of your hair if they are dry. It is important not to use Euro oil while using the elixirs, as it would be too much of a good thing and potentially dilute the effects of the elixirs. The recommended schedule for the gold and silver series is to use the first elixir in week 1, followed by a rest or Zen detox in week 2, use the second elixir in week 3, and rest or Zen detox in week 4, repeating this cycle until the elixirs are finished. If you plan to use more than one series of elixirs, complete the first series, take a break for a month, and then begin the next series. For the God and Goddess and Tricolor series, you will instead want to start with the first elixir in week 1, rotate to the next elixir on week 2, and continue until you've used every elixir in the series. Take a rest week with the Zen Detox mask treatment, and then begin in your rotation again, repeating the process until the elixirs are finished. Morrocco Method hair elixirs offer a holistic approach to hair and scalp care, using natural ingredients to address a variety of issues. By following the recommended usage and integrating these elixirs with other Morrocco Method products, you can achieve healthier, more vibrant hair naturally. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness. Also like and comment on this video for 250 rewards points to use in our store.